Why choose arm blood pressure monitor tonometer? 1. Old people whose vascular wall has poor flexibility. In this case, wrist blood pressure's result may be lower than the real. Because wrist is the nerve endings, hypertensive patients may be complicated as arterial stenosis, blood clots and other vascular diseases, so the elderly use arm blood pressure monitor is more accurate than wrist blood pressure monitor. 2. Wrist blood pressure monitor is also accurate, but it is more suitable for young people, working people, traveling, gift. Because it is easy to carry. 3. If you want to know your blood pressure clear in 24 hours, you can choose a blood pressure holder. So watch the video at the end. Product features: 1 LCD screen, 3 colors of backlight optional. 2. Voltage power detection, low power consumption. 3. Dimension 126 x 100 x 53 mm not include wristbands. 4. Display digital liquid crystal display. 5. Accuracy 3 mm of mercury 0.4 kilopascals. 6. Auto power off. Arm blood pressure monitor tonometer, 9,759 orders. Average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.